Yeah, this tree's a lot bigger in the house than we thought it would be when we cut it down. Need to put the brakes on the Silverado still. New rotors and paths, you know. Got my foot hinges and latch. Can't think right now. Powder coated chrome. Didn't really need the clear coat, but they didn't really ask me. It was like $81 with tax. I think it looks really good. And I'm excited to get those on because it's gonna look sweet.
Well, before I forget, I just want to say thanks to Rick for the Christmas card here. Got here, you know, about a week early this time. He sends me one of these every year. I don't know if anybody else gets these every year. If it's, maybe he just really likes me. But anyway, thank you, Rick. Merry Christmas.
What's going on in here?
A little bit of that.
The skipping songs. Another skipping song. Shiny.
So what happens when you sand it with fine grit sandpaper?
Alright, well I'm going to the grocery store.
Wait, you gonna make a video of that?
Yeah. Thinking about it.
Sounds good.
Alright.
When you're toasted, burned out, tired, and you need it, take a little tip from me. Take a little sip and see. Take a little trip with me. Need a little thingy, will do the trick.
Just waiting for it to warm up in here. I think it's about 50. It's pretty good. Just doing the final sand before paint. I'm blocking it dry with 320 and then 500 dry. And so far so good. Well, I should say so far good enough. All that's left on the body is to finish this quarter panel. Then I can do the fenders and the doors. Put it back together. Wait for a good time to take it to work and paint it. And that's about it. Poor Ford sitting over there.
Not warmed up, that's for sure. Not even that cool.
Everybody had a picnic. All women had motors in there.
Did you get the other side done, or how long have you been out here?
Since 3 o'clock this morning.
Oh. No, you haven't. So this is the side that isn't. No, this is the good side.
They're both about the same.
I thought you said that the driver's side wasn't going to be as good as the passenger side. Oh, but you won't notice. That was funny.
You won't notice. Do you notice anything now?
This is the nice side, you said.
They're both the same.
That is not what you said. It's beautiful, sir.
When I say something's wrong with it, there's nothing you're gonna notice.
Yeah, but why would you even tell me that? I'm gonna try to find it.
This car needs
Okay,
quarter
mine.
fins.
Well, we already knew that. But
There's a bit of a bulge here.
blame that on Jim.
We got fender flares on this one.
Sweet.
The small ones.
Custom. Everything's custom around here. Ford's custom.
It's not bad.
Well, if I'm not gonna notice it, I'm pretty sure most people are not gonna notice
Nobody's gonna notice it. Except for me.
it. And everybody else that knows it now. I'm just kidding.
They still won't notice.
I know. We still have to look at your car, figure out what's going on with rear end.
You feel like I don't feel like rebuilding the rear end right now.
Yeah.
I was waiting for it to lock up on me.
You gonna take the Ford to the Rod Run next year? We got a lot of stuff to do to it before then. Like different transmission, steering, box rebuilt.
Chop top.
Yeah. Are you planning on doing that before then?
Yeah.
Are you and Jim gonna try it?
Oh, and Jeff.
Oh, and Jeff.
I'm just gonna be the camera guy.
Who's gonna be the welder, Jim?
Jen and Jeff can fight over that.
I'll do the welding. You talked me into it. Did you just not get that spot very good with the DA, or?
I just blocking it with some 500 real quick. I don't get too crazy with the DA. I don't want to make it wavy.
Right.
Just refining the scratches a little more. I hear that'll lead to better gloss holdout. Read that somewhere. Yeah, I don't know what that was.
The real kids. It's okay, we're gonna listen to some Rancid.
That's what they play. Anytime you dislike 2 songs in a row, the next song is a Rancid song every time. If I ship a wheel in a box like this that barely fits, is it gonna be okay? Obviously I'll put something around it on this side so it doesn't slide back and forth, but it's not very well protected. Or should I try to find some bigger boxes? I don't know.